I am a drumstick. I can give you strength. I want to turn into a delicious chicken roll.
Let's help the drumstick pull off bones. Marinated drumstick will be tastier. The oven party is starting now.
Hello, Mr. Dough. Would you like to turn into the chicken roll with me?
Great! Let me help you. The dough will be pressed into thin pancakes. Let's help drumstick bake pancakes. Wow! The pancakes are turning golden brown. The drumstick would like to invite Tomato. The drumstick likes to go with lettuce.
Hello, Mr. Lettuce, Miss Tomato. Would you like to make the chicken roll with me? Yeah, the chicken roll would be more nutritious with lettuce and tomatoes added.
Well done! Let's wrap them up. It's time to eat! Wow! The roll has both vegetables and chicken in it. I want to be strong. I need to eat more chicken.